Good morning, everybody. My name's Jerry Garrettson from Tabea Law, and today we're going to talk about asylum law. Before we go there, let's go ahead and read this here. And the evening and the morning were the third day. I want to hit this subject because it's something we see a lot in our country today with our borders. Let's just say being, with a lot of activity on our borders. Okay, so asylum is a claim that many will make, and few will be actually legitimate claims of asylum. So the basic definition is for a person that has a founded fear of persecution based on a number of factors. One, based on religious convictions, race, nationality, political viewpoints, or being a member of a social group. And so these have to be in play. In other words, a person cannot have a well-founded fear of persecution from somebody. I mean, they can have that, but it has to be based on one of these areas. So if they're afraid of somebody, and it's a reasonable fear, but the reason that person is persecuting the victim or the person seeking asylum is because they just don't like them. Okay, that's not going to work. It has to be based on one of these reasons here. Now, if the person persecuting the asylum seeker is persecuting him because of his religion, now we're in business. And it has to be not just, it has to be part of the government apparatus, and so it gets convoluted. So just so you know, this area is rich for attorneys to get in and do some lawyering, and this is a big area. Now, again, many or most of these are false claims. These are just folks just trying to get into this country, and there's not a legitimate basis to use asylum. However, there are real asylum cases that have legitimate claims, and the folks have a well-founded fear of persecution, and the reason they're being persecution is based on one of these areas here. And one of them, interestingly enough, that you see a lot of action on is political viewpoints. So I guess that the idea would be a communist country persecuting one because they have capitalism ideas or beliefs, persuasions. And so anyways, I think that's it for today, and we'll talk more next time. Thank you so much, and have a good day.